These animals are real, but once you see them, you can't unsee them. You won't believe the last. Aye aye. This Erie lemur has giant eyes, bat-like ears, and a bony finger used to dig bugs from trees. Goby fish with parasite tongue. A parasite eats the fish's tongue, then lives in its place, functioning as the new tongue. Before I reveal the last, if you think this panda is cute, like and subscribe. Comment to heart if you love animals. Naked bat with veiny wings, pink skin, and sharp teeth. This hairless bat looks more like a flying demon than a mammal.